Hi guys, I am going to do a makeup tutorial for you today. Do something fun and wanted to share it with you guys. So let's begin. My dog is barking in the background. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids and I am taking the the Shape Tape by Tarte and then just putting it on my eyelids. I was really kind of disappointed in this concealer because everyone is talking about it and it just does not work under my eyes. It makes it look cakey, I feel like. So I'm utilizing it as an eye primer. My hair is super crazy. I apologize. I'm working with the background too, trying to make it look all nice. So we'll see how the lighting is because the lighting, there's a window over here and the sun's going down and I need to work on it. So it's work in progress. Today we are going to use this palette that I got at Sephora. I usually don't use bright colors, but I kind of wanted to try something new and exciting. So let's see how this goes. Oh, first I'm going to use a base color. This is a palette that I just made myself from MAC, and we are going to use this shade right here. It's just a nice shade just to put and set your primer. This just makes it so that your other colors will go on a little bit smoother. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this color right here. That is Flint, I believe. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. It's really nice, just light color. And honestly, it's just for transition, so you don't need to be too perfect with it. We are going to take our Shape Tape again, and we're going to kind of do it like we're going to do a cut crease, just to really make the colors pop, and then we'll go from there. Just right there. And then a little trick, you can close your eyes and so you can see how tall your cut crease needs to be. Then I'm going to take a little brush, a definer crease brush, and then we are going to use these couple of colors here. We are going to start with, we'll do this color right here. I believe that is Blue Dahlia. Before I do that, I'm going to spritz it with my MAC Prep and Prime, just to really make the color concentrated like that. And it's okay if it's a little messy. Then we're going to do the same thing on the inner corner. It's a really pretty blue. If you guys have any suggestions for new brushes, I would love to hear some. I'm looking into either Zoeva or Sigma. I believe there's a brand called Lexi that I would like to try. Let's see. So since we have that, now we're going to work with what's going to go in that middle. And I really want to use a couple of different products. I kind of want to use this bright pink or fuchsia type color, and that's in Poison Berry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a flatter brush and I am going to, again, spray it, and when you spray it with that, you get like the most positive color, I feel like. But you do got to be careful because with some eyeshadows, it can ruin them. Not ruin them, but kind of pack them down. So next time you use them, you don't get as much color payoff. So I'm going to put that on my brush, and then I'm just going to sweep that in the center of my lid. And it's going to be messy, guys, and that's okay. You can kind of pat to blend it in with the blue. So I'm going to get a nice brown, and I'm going to use Max and Bark for that. It's just a nice darker brown shade. So we have that. Now we're gonna basically go over and kind of do the same steps over again so that we can deepen up those colors again. We kind of have our shades all put together, but we really just gotta make sure that we blend in really good. This color here, Linen, is like a sparkly champagne shade, and we're gonna pop that right on top of the purpley shade. Oh, man, struggling with my finger. I usually hate using my fingers, but on some of these shades it just helps build up the product a little bit better. That was a mistake. We're going to take the Stila in Smoldering Satin, and we're just going to place it in the middle of those colors. Really want that deeper purpley shade to show up. It's just not really showing up. To get a Q-tip, and I use the Skin Active cleansing water, wet one side, and then just swoosh it under until you almost make a wing. Then you can just blend out the edges. I'm going to take Kat Von D's Tattoo in Trooper Black. Kind of disappointed in those matte shades in that palette. I am going to take Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter. Really dewy, nice skin. So I'm going to put it up here. And on my cheeks. You can see it is really pretty. It just gives you like a nice kind of glow. Born This Way foundation. This is Becca Be a Light to Medium Face Palette. Looks like that. It's really nice. Here. I like this palette. It's the Benefit Pretty in the USA, and it has the Hoola Racketeer and Dandelion Twinkle highlight. And I'm going to just take the Hoola bronzer, and then I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm taking the medium brown Anastasia brow powder. I kind of take both shades. Okay. Now the brow gel, and just run those through my brows. My brows are kind of in that middle stage where I need to reshape them and wax them and stuff, but they're not quite there yet, so they look kind of crazy. So then we're going to move on to lashes, and we are going to use the Ardell Wispy Baby Lashes. To apply them also, I'm going to use the House of Lashes eye glue. I like this brush too because it's really easy to apply. It doesn't have big globs where you get it on the lash. And then you're just kind of gonna, oh, forgot mascara. Put mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise that everyone and their mother is using. So for highlighter, I'm going to use this Makeup Professional Pro Sculpting Duo. This is forever ago. I don't even know if they sell this. But their highlighter shade is so pretty. It's this like intense pinky color. I'm going to take some of the blue under my eyes. We're going to use lip liner. This is Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner in Innocent. And then we are going to use Penelope Pink and Charlotte Tilbury. And that's the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I was just kind of playing with makeup and I was sharing it with you, my thoughts and stuff on it. If you liked it, please like and follow, and check me out on Instagram at JossBoss. And we'll see you next time.